Ever wish your phone could use Wi-Fi and mobile data together for a speed boost? Let's dive into how to make that happen. First, let's open up your phone's settings app. This is usually represented by a gear or cog icon. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Now, look for a section labeled Connections, Wi-Fi and Network, or something similar. The exact wording may differ depending on your Android phone's manufacturer. Tap on this section. Inside the Connections menu, find and tap on Wi-Fi. This will take you to your Wi-Fi settings. Next, look for Advanced Settings. Within the Wi-Fi menu, you might need to scroll down to find it. Tap on Advanced to reveal more options. Here's the key. Look for an option such as Smart Wi-Fi Switch, Mobile Data when Wi-Fi is weak, or use mobile data for the internet when Wi-Fi is slow. The name varies, but it essentially does the same thing. Toggle this switch to the on position. With this enabled, your phone will intelligently switch to or combine mobile data with Wi-Fi when the Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable. Not all phones support this function, and carrier settings sometimes override it. So test it out to see if it works for you.